Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will see another very important job description, and that is job description of a web developer. Basically, this job description of a web developer, it is not only important from the perspective of employer or a company, but it is also very important from the perspective of employees as well. Because in this job description we have included many important detailed roles and responsibilities of a web developer that helps potential candidates to work on important requirements in order to meet the specific requirement of this particular job. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, I have created this particular job description sample for you guys. Firstly, I will read the job summary paragraph that includes all the very important and key information about this particular job of a web developer. For this particular section we will also see the detailed roles and responsibilities section, and at the end we will also see the requirement section as well. Okay, like if I can read for you guys this particular job summary paragraph. Firstly, we are looking for a skilled web developer who will be responsible for developing and designing websites for our company. You will be working alongside a team of other developers in creating, maintaining, and updating our websites. In order for you to succeed in this role, you will need to be proficient in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and have solid knowledge and experience in programming applications. So, this is our job summary paragraph. After the job summary section, we have the detailed roles and responsibilities section that provides more important detailed roles and responsibilities that must matches with the skills of a potential candidate in order to qualify for this particular job of a web developer. Like if I can read for you guys all these important roles and responsibilities. As a web developer, your detailed roles and responsibilities include website and software application designing, building or maintaining, using scripting or authoring languages, management tools, content creation tools, applications, and digital media, conferring with teams to resolve conflicts, prioritize needs, develop content criteria or choose solutions, directing or performing website updates, developing or validating test routines and schedules to ensure that test cases mimic external interfaces and address all browser and device types, editing, writing, or designing website content, and directing team members who produce content, maintaining an understanding of the latest web applications and programming practices through education, study, and participation in conferences, workshops, and groups, backup files from websites to local directories for recovery, identifying problems uncovered by customer feedback and testing, and correcting or referring problems to appropriate personnel for correction, evaluating code to ensure it meets industry standards, is valid, is properly structured, and is compatible with browsers, devices, or operating systems, determining user needs by analyzing technical requirements. So all these are the detailed roles and responsibilities for a job of a web developer. For this particular section, we have the requirement, or you can say qualification section. This section includes the education, skills, and sometimes experience requirement that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for this particular job of a web developer. Like if I can read for you guys all these requirements. As a web developer, you must have a bachelor's degree in web development or related field or relevant experience. You must also have solid knowledge and experience in programming applications, proficient in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, as well as MySQL. You must also be a dedicated team player. You must also have the ability to thrive in a fast-paced environment, solid ability in both written and verbal communication. You must also have knowledge of programming language and technical terminology. You must also be able to develop ideas and processes and clearly express them. High degree of independent judgment. You must also be able to solve complex problems as well. So all these are the important requirements for a job of a web developer. And at the end, our job description ends with a call to action paragraph that states how a particular potential candidate can apply for a particular job. Or in easy words, you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about this particular job of a web developer. So basically, a medium of contact is written in this section by a company. And finally, our job description is ended here. I hope you liked today's video on a job description of a web developer. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do appreciate our hard work in creating this particular video and sample for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material not just related to these topics but from many other career oriented videos as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.